Let me show you how to paint beautiful watercolours in my easy-to-learn style. I'll show you how to mix all of your paints and colours. We'll take each step at a time and I'll explain exactly what I'm doing so you can follow along. A lot of watercolours is all about timing and how much water and how much paint you have on your brush. I'll explain this in detail. You can soon be creating your own beautiful paintings. Over the years of painting, I've created my own style. I'll show you my techniques of how to keep your watercolours really fresh without lots and lots of layering. This will leave your watercolours beautifully fresh with lots of light. You don't need to be good at drawing, and you don't need years of experience to begin creating really lovely artwork. Together we can explore colour, softness, texture, and those tiny little details that bring paintings to life. Everything is designed to feel relaxing, achievable, and enjoyable. You can learn in your own time and pause whenever you need to, and simply enjoy the process as you learn to paint. Whether you're completely new to watercolour or picking up your brushes again after years away, there's a place for you right here. These tutorials are available through my painting kits, and you can also go deeper into your learning by joining the Wild Woodland Studio membership. Visit my website to see all the different options and explore the beautiful pictures that you could be painting soon.